Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the part 2 of my favorite product in each category. I will link of course down below the first part with the base and the cheeks. Today we are talking about eyes and lips. Let's start with the eyes. My favorite eyeshadow primer is this one and I will mention it, and it will be this one for a long time because I love it. It is the Sigma eyeshadow primer. This works so great. It's making eyeshadow sit so nicely on the eyes. They are long lasting and this one covers the veins and everything as well. It's just great, easy to apply. It's just a stick, you apply it on your eyes, blend it with a brush. Looks great and makes everything last longer. Let's talk about brows. These two products are favorite for years, so I'm still recommending them. This is the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil. I need to test the newer version, but from what I heard, it is similar, just the shades are a bit tweaked, but this is just great. Easy to apply, stays really well on the brows, very affordable, can't recommend it enough. And then the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. I still love this one so much. I've been testing a bunch of brow gels. This is still my favorite. It is just flexible enough that you can work with it however you like, but it is setting the brows into place pretty well, so they are not moving. I really love it. It is just incredible and lovely. Let's talk about an eyeliner slash eyeshadow slash everything into one. This is the E.L.F. No Budge Shadow Stick in the shade in particular Copper Chic. This is everything in one, in my opinion. I could use it as a eyeshadow for sure, but what I like this one the most for is for the waterline. As a waterline pencil, it looks so beautiful. It makes my eyes pop in the best way. I love it. It's just great. I recommended it a bunch for good reasons. For eyeshadow palettes, it was a bit hard, and in reality I picked two. It is cheating, yes, sure, but I can't pick just one palette. I have so many that I love and I need to pick two because they are different brands and they are different but great. This one is pretty new in my collection. It's the ABH Spice palette and it looks great. So this for traveling, for everyday makeup, for a neutral, beautiful, stunning palette. This is the one. The middle row is so stunning, so sparkly and shiny and everything. They look great and the mattes are pigmented, blendable and easy to work with. So this is my favorite neutral palette at this moment. And then I need to pick something a bit colorful as well. So let's say that this is my favorite neutral palette and this is my favorite colorful palette. I cannot recommend this one. It's just, this is my favorite palette from Natasha Denona, obviously. It's the Yucca palette and I'm wearing it today. It's just a stunning palette with greens, but a bit toned down. You can create a full green look, but you can create something a bit more neutral, like the one that I'm wearing right now. It's stunning and it has different formulas as well. I used today this one that is a cream to powder in the crease in here. It's just so easy to blend, so easy to work with. So my favorite colorful palette, my favorite neutral palette, it is what it is. Mascara. In here I need to again make a distinction. I have my favorite black mascara and my favorite brown mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess. It is a staple for years again. I repurchased it a million times. It makes my lashes look voluminous, longer. It stays in place. It doesn't smudge on me. So this is the mascara that I'm wearing today, but I have some lashes on, so it is what it is. Great mascara, great from the drugstore as well. And the other one is from Essence as well. It is the Lash Without Limits, but in brown. This is the most beautiful brown out there and it makes my lashes long, not that voluminous. I would say that this is a bit more of a lengthening mascara. It makes the lashes look longer and exaggerated, but it is a bit more natural because it is brown. Absolutely stunning mascara. Let's talk about lips. For a lip liner, I decided on this one, the NYX Line Loud. This is the shade No Equivalent. I have it on my lips today. Stunning lip pencil, looks great, wears for a long time. It is a bit on the creamy side, but because of that it's very easy to apply and it is setting into place. I absolutely love this formula. I repurchased it a million times in a million shades. It's just great, and again from the drugstore, so it's pretty affordable. Next, for a lipstick, I am still not on board with matte lips again. Everybody's talking about matte lips. I think it will be a big trend for this year, but I'm still with some glowy lips. Is this one that I'm wearing today from MAC. This is the Lustreglass formula and I have the shade Posh Pit. This is so stunning, so glowy, so lovely. Can't recommend it enough. It's just a great compact with a great shine and it looks so juicy and yummy. I can't recommend it enough. And for gloss, I have again two. I'm cheating a bit in this video. It is what it is, but my favorite gloss and my favorite plumping gloss. I think this is even called a lip oil. So my favorite lip oil and my favorite gloss. Is that cheating? For sure. This is the Milk Makeup Odyssey lip oil. It is lip oil gloss. It is what it is, but this is so juicy, so yummy. It makes the lips look so plumped and so beautiful, really. And I have in here the shade Work Trip. It's so beautiful. If you want just juicy lips, this is juicy lips in the tube. And then for a plumping gloss, this is the Maybelline Plump. I have in here the shade Hot Honey. This is the shade that I really want and I will repurchase it after I'm done. This is just a very yellowy shade, but is not making your teeth look yellow or something. It looks so stunning on the lips. It is plumping, but with some shimmer. But the shimmers, I don't even like shimmery glosses, but this one is a good exception. It's just a bit of a glimmer and it makes the lips look more juicy, so it's not a shimmery lip gloss. Overall, it's just a great product, and yeah, I need to recommend both. So this was everything. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time.